How to allow install apps from unknown source on Android. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to install unknown apps on Android. After you open up your phone, go to settings. After you come to settings, scroll to down, go to this app management. In this option now, scroll to down and go to this special app access. So in this option now, go to this install unknown apps. So from this option now, you can go ahead now and select the source where you want to install the app. Let's say you want to install the app from your Chrome browser. Just tap on the Chrome like this and allow the option. From there, you can be able to install the apps from the Chrome browser. Or let's say you want to install the app from your file manager. After you tap on the file manager, just go and allow the option like this. So you can just go ahead and select the app where you want to install the app, like WhatsApp. Just allow the option. After you allow the option, you can be able to install the app. Or if you can't find the special access on your mobile phone like my own, just after you open the settings, just tap on the search bar and search for special access, just like this. Just search for special app access. So after you search for special app access, from there it will give you the option, and go ahead now and follow the process, and that's it.